Good evening friends, my name is Baxi from CSE. Today my topic is Constructor and Destructor. What is constructor? It is a member function which initializes a class. A constructor has two types, the same name as the class itself and no return type. A member function with the same name, its class is called constructor, and it is used to initialize the objects of that class type with a legal value. A constructor is a special member function of a class that is called automatically when an object of class is created. Constructor types of constructor. There are three types of constructor: default constructor, second parameterized constructor, and third copy constructor. What is default constructor? A constructor that accepts no parameter is called the default constructor if you don't declare a constructor or a destructor. Second, parameterized constructor. A constructor that accepts parameters for its invocation is known as parameterized constructor. It is also called a regular constructor. Third is copy constructor. It is a member function which initializes an object using another object of the same class. This is the syntax of the copy constructor: class name and constant class name, and then this is the example of constructor. Now declare the class circle, enter the float r and a public, print enter the value of radius, void compute and void display, inline void circle compute, then a is equal to 3.14 into r and declare the inline void circle display. Cout area is equal to a, then void main area is equal to a void main, then declare objects circle c dot compute c dot display. This is the constructor. Now what is the destructor? A destructor is also a member function whose name is the same as the class name but is preceded by tilde. It is automatically by the compile when object is destroyed. Destructors are usually used to allocate memory and do the cleanup for a class object. A destructor is called for a class object when that object passes out of scope or is explicitly deleted. This is the example for destructor object. The following points apply to constructor and destructor. Constructor and destructor do not have return type, not even word, not can the return values. Constructors cannot be declared with the keyword virtual. Constructor and destructor cannot be declared static, constant or volatile. The compile automatically calls constructor when defining class objects and calls destructors when class objects go up the scope. Thank you.